Once in your dashboard, click on Print. Then, select one of your listings and hit Create New. Search for postcard templates. Select a template to work with, edit, and save changes. With Target, you can send postcards to specific addresses, neighborhoods, and set filters. You can zoom in and narrow down your recipients as necessary. You can also draw a filter. Then, click on List. Add and remove recipients as needed. Now, click on Map. As you can see, we have selected our recipients. Hit Next Step. Submit payment info. Before placing your order, review and see Preview. You're all set. You just learned how to send direct mail using Brokerloop.